Welcome student. Today we study about the sound. Have you ever visited to a Vijapur in Karnataka? Gol Gummat is an excellent example of echo sound. An app for measurement of sound frequency may be available on cell phones. With the help of your teacher, use the app to measure the frequency of the sound. Sound is a form of energy which creates a sensation of hearing in our ears. This energy is in the form of waves. These waves are called rarefaction and compression. This graph shows like this. The wavelength of sound waves is indicated by a Greek letter lambda. Each music instrument have a different frequency of a sound which can be measured as a different. You know about sa re ga ma, that is a letter having different frequency. Sound waves gives rise to a chain of compression and rarefaction in the medium. A sound waves can be shown in the graph. At any moment during the propagation of sound waves, we would find alternate bands of compression and rarefaction. Sound get reflect like a light. Light waves, sound waves too, similar, get reflected from a solid or liquid surface. These waves also follow the laws of reflection. The Italian scientists Borelli and Viviani in 1660s first calculated the speed of sound. They measured the time between seeing the flash of gun and hearing its sound from a long distance. Their value of 350 meter per second is very close. You must have visited an echo point at a hill station. If you shout loudly at such a point, you hear the same sound just after a little while. This sound is called an echo. विद्यार्थ्यांनो, तुम्ही एका बंद घरामध्ये जे संपूर्ण खाली आहे असे मित्रांसोबत जा आणि मित्रांशी बोला. तुम्हाला काय अनुभव येतो? खिडक्या बंद करून म्युझिक सुरू करून बघा. ॲज मच ॲज लाऊडली. आणि काय तुमचा अनुभव राहणार बघा. व्हॉट इज ॲन इको? An echo is the repetition of the original sound because of reflection by some surface. Echo can be heard multiple times due to continuous or multiple reflections. The Gol Gumbat at Vijapur in Karnataka is an excellent example of this. Sound waves get reflected from the walls and roofs. Two astronauts on the moon talking to each other will be unable, even if they are very close to each other. The moon does not have atmosphere, since there is no medium which is necessary for propagation of sound. Therefore, the astronauts use some technology like the one used in our cell phone to communicate with each other. The waves of use in cell phone do not need any medium for propagation. This causes a single sound to be heard not once but continuously. This is called reverberation. In order to be able to hear the original sound and its reflection distinctly at 22 degrees Celsius, what must need? At 22 degrees Celsius, the velocity of sound in air is 344 meter per second. Our brain retains a distinct sound. To be able to hear a distinct echo, the reflecting surface should be at minimum distance of half of the above, that means 17.2 meter. Due to reverberation, the time between successive reflection of a particular sound wave reaching us becomes smaller, and the reflected sound get mixed up and produce a continuous sound of increased loudness which cannot be deciphered clearly. This is reason why some auditorium have inferior sound exception. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.